Hello guys and welcome back on my channel. In today's video we are going to be spending our hard-earned stars again. We are going to be opening 5 from each gun collections and we're gonna spend the rest of the budget on missing link charms and maybe some stickers. Enjoy the video. So guys, let's open the first one and it's gonna be shit. Another one. Chesed, okay, nothing. Another one. Okay. First blue. This can this can cost something, maybe like €3, maybe, I don't know. Let's open another one. Get a little, nothing. And the last one, please. Let's hope for the AVP. Oh, P90. Let's move to the overpass collection. I really like the AK, you know. Oh, Deagle, okay. Another one. Okay, back-to-back Deagle, not bad, maybe cost something around €1, I don't know. Oh, M4, nothing. Another one, I think last one. Oh. No. Now last one. Yeah. MP5, nothing. Let's move next. Sport and Field collection. I really like the M4. Actually, the Glock is cool too, but M4 is better. Let's see. Max 7. Another one. MP5, nothing. Another one. FAMAS, another one. Oh. Last one. Nothing. Okay, now let's move to the missing link charms. Oh. Let's check the pattern. It's a really low pattern. Maybe overpay, but it's blue, so it's like $1. Please. Finally some purple. Oh, another one. Let's go. Let's check the pattern. Oh, this one looks good too. What is this? Oh, not that low. Let's check this one. Another one. Okay, back to back purple. Wait. Another. Please. We need more. Okay, another purple. Let's see. Nothing. Another purple. This one looks cool. What's the pattern on it? Nothing. Please. Let's go back to the missing charms. Please. Oh, another purple. Okay, last 5 stars. Let's see. Another blue. And the last two we're gonna spend on. Let's spend it on stickers. Please, we need red one. Nothing. This is cheap. And the last one. Well. What can I say, guys? Our luck has obviously left us. You could see the prices of the better things we pulled today. In total, it is around €25. I sold the rest of the skins we pulled for around €15. That means we are €30 lighter after this video, which bring us to a total of 113 euros 33 cents. Let's hope we're gonna make some money in the next video. See you, bye.